Alright, just a quick video of the lockpick install for a 2013 Ram 2500 with the 8.4 inch screen with the nav. My lockpick is down here. As you can see, it's wrapped up in a shirt to keep it from vibrating. It's like an easy access panel here. Pretty much you just lift up that silver ring and then this other panel just pulls right up. And I can get it out, take it out, update it if I need to. But to demonstrate the rear camera really quick, you have two ways. You have a remote control, and my little sensor is right here. And you can use that, or you use the back buttons here, back of the steering wheel to activate it. First, to activate the rear screen, the rear camera, you do back 4 times. It does the menu. Yeah, that file, there you go. And then to get the rear screen or review any other ones, you use the back controls of the steering wheel to move it up or down. To view the rear, you will just hit the center of the back button. Boom. Rear camera. Now right now I'm in park. If I go in drive, obviously it goes in drive, and I am moving forward. Can't really move a whole lot because my garage is in the way. And if I go into reverse, it's able to go into reverse. So here's forward again. Good deal. Back in park. And now to turn off the rear camera, you just hit the center of the back button again, or the back of the steering wheel button, and it goes back. Now everything still works. My navigation, I already tested it out. It does get rid of it where you could actually input destination in while in motion, which I love. That's awesome. Here's the instructions for all the controls and everything. If you hit the back button again 4 times within 3 seconds, the menu comes up. You could use the steering wheel control back here again to go through all the options. Right now, the override is default. Oh, by the way, for the lockpick, back of the box here has these little dip switches. Make sure number 3 is up. And it also says in the instructions as well. But other than that, that's a quick video of pretty much the cameras. Of course, you could put other cameras in, like the front, left, right, and the other rear. It doesn't matter. I don't need that right now, so I'm doing it. Probably do a front later on, but I don't need it. But anyways, that's all it is. If you do right, you know, it's just a blank screen because I got nothing hooked up, and then cancel it out. So, all right, cool. There you go. Installation of everything. Bye bye.